Hello and welcome my friend, and next I am planning to give you information that how you can make your current car or truck sun Visor better, so that we do in our current sun Visor extensioner part, and this is really interesting thing. And let's look at what is the issue. Okay, and here is our current sun Visor, and now we have issue that when we rotate this our current Visor in this side area, we can see that there is gap. There is gap that in this area the sun came to our head, and this is now issue that this my sun Visor is like too short. And how we can do in here this extension part in that area? What is this solution? What it happens? This solution. We install in here this new sun Visor extensor, and we do that part by self. This is fantastic. And firstly we have to look at how long extension part we can do in this our current sun Visor, and in my case I can do that in this area to in here. This is this thing that it is possible to make a little bit wider, and how I am planning to do that thing. I am planning to do in here new cover what we can move in here. Let's look again. Idea is that this cover moves like in here to that hole, and then there is no any air sun what is now coming to my head. Okay, and now let's look at how we do that part. Okay, and there is my A4 paper. Now I will demonstrate that what we are planning to do. We have to do in here extra part. What goes when we move that in here, it is in that area, and it like stops the sun, and then we can move that in again in the central position, because in here when we look in that area, it is important that this our part, it is not too long, because there are those gaps. And it have to move in that way in here. Okay, and let's look, and of course, and this length is good, and now I have to measure that what is this distance that I can make this to all areas in that way. And next I do that kind of prototype with my little bit better. It is plastic vinyl, it is elastic material, and after that we can install this part in here. But this is important to measure that what is this my current materials thickness, and then these dimensions. Okay, and let's go to do that part next. Okay, and then I noticed that there is two screws, Phillips head screws, and when I take these two screws away, then I can take this my Visor away totally. And now I open these two screws, and then it is easier to handle this Visor part. Okay, and now I took that my sun cover away, and next I need to measure that what is this my new sun Visor extension, these dimensions, and now we have centimeter scale, and I think that this area is like here to here is it looks like 16 centimeters, and I install in here that what is the size in this total part. First one is 16 centimeters, in here, and then this length is about, in here it is 20 centimeters. Okay, length this area is 20 centimeters, and then when this my cover goes 2 times or more this totally rotate, I have to calculate this 16 again, 16 centimeters, and maybe if I think that it goes 3 times, it has to be again 16 centimeters. And that means that when we add this all, we can get number what is 48, if I calculate right. 48 centimeters is this material. And next I cut in my paper. I have paper in here, that kind of paper, and I do this first prototype. And let's look at what it looks like when I measure in these dimensions, this my sun Visor extension path. Okay, and here is this my paper, 20 centimeters in here and 48 centimeters this length. And idea is that I install this my part in that position in here, in this way, and when I use this my sun Visor, this part moves like in here, in that position. And then we have this longer part, and I can move that again back in here, in that way. Looks very nice, and that means that this area, they have the width in here, and now I can see that what is this tolerance, and I can, by the way, remove this part again. And now when I have this prototype, what works actually really well, I can actually use even that part. We can do this part also. Let's look that this is like paper part, this works also. And now when I install that in here, we check that how well this resists this sun. I think that how good is this sun resist. I think that this can resist actually quite well this sun. Now I only cut these things like in line, and then we can use duct tape. This is like this standard version, and then I have pro version where I use this high quality, this trailer. We have this is this good quality hard material. What is this plastic, what is elastic, what we can use in these trailers covers. And this is really good material. I can cut also in this material similar part than that one. But let's do that part firstly ready. Okay, and then we need high quality Scott 3M, this duct tape, and this is the best one in world, and this is even this heavy duty black tape. And I use that my tape now that I can install. I think that this is good if this central area comes in like in middle. I think that now this moves nicely, and this looks good. And now I install this my tape and scissors. Okay. And first part goes in. That looks good. And I install this third part in here. Excellent. And now I test that how this my sun Visor extensor works. It is a little bit tight. Yes, this is now too tight. I have to loosen that a little bit, that it moves better. This is like good prototype testing, and now it moves nicely. Even it is a little bit tight in here. I adjust even more that, a little bit wider. And now it works nicely. And in my case, I can see that in this way. And I can take this my cover out. And now I need to only adjust this. I have to install this tape in here, both sides, that this is easy to use, also inside and outside. And next I do this tape, first like this outside, in this way, good. Excellent. And now this outside is okay, and then there's inside that area. I have to tap this also. I install this my tape in their inner, in that way. Good, and then I install that again all area. And this looks really great. This is like Pro standard version, a new part to our car or truck. And in here I have to adjust this tape also. I will do that next. Okay, and now this my sun Visor extensioner is ready. And can you believe that how cool it looks like? I add this my 3M. The key is this 3M Scott duct tape, and this is even the most durable heavy duty tape, and this is like excellent tape. And I installed that tape in here and these sides. And now idea is that when I install this my sun Visor, and then when I rotate that in that way, then I can only move this my extension part in a little bit outer, in that way. Now this is a little bit tight, I can wider that, and then there is no any sun what comes through in here. And then I can also take this my Visor away. Now we can see that this my tape, there is too much tape, I remove that. But soon I have to take this tape away in here, that area, because now it is not good that it is stuck. Okay, and so now this my sun Visor extension is ready, and idea is that I can move this part in here, and then I have even longer area what resists and stops sun shining. And then when I don't need that, I can adjust this back in this central area in that way, and it looks quite okay, not too bad. And if this looks too much, I can take that away and I can install this my extension part to like glove box. Okay, and then we go to install this my car pack and we can test this device in real life. Next. Okay, and now we really test that how this sun Visor extensor really works. And this is that part. And let's look that when we have sun in this left side window, we only move that our new extension part in here, and it is so easy that we move that in totally easy way in here. And now we don't have anymore this sun to our head and eye issue. And then after, when we don't need that, we can move that back and install in here. And then we close that. And this is really excellent. And this works very well like this high quality Mercedes-Benz cars. This is just perfect because this car is so nice to drive in highways. And please comment and remember also that this material is like hard carton, hard paper. You can see that there is this what we use in construction, these projects in ground or floor material when we build houses. This is like little bit harder paper. We can purchase this from Home Depot stores in USA. Okay, but I am really, and also remember this tape is this Scott 3M very durable duct tape, but we can also purchase from Amazon.com and Home Depot. And I believe that this my material lasts about 5 years or 10 years, same time as new modern electric cars. Thank you, my friend.